There's a song that's inside my soul. It's the one that I've tried to write over and over again. I'm awake in the infinite